see in front of you? What can you see in front of you?
This is two metal cans and a string. People use it like phones to hear each
Excellent,
other.
excellent, excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sandra. Okay, I want Joy to repeat what Sandra said. Joy, can you tell me what did Sandra say about this shape that you can see in front of you? What is it?
It's like a phone they could have from.
I didn't hear what you said, Joy. Can you say it again, please? What can you see?
I can see two metal boxes and a string.
Yeah, two cans and a string in the middle between them. And do you know how do we use them? How do we use these two cans and a string?
Yes, we get a can
Mm-hmm.
we talk and we make sounds in the can, and the other person puts the can on his ear so he can hear what is another person saying.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Anne. So, guys, did you hear what Anne say? She said, she and Joy and Sandra, of course, they told me that we have two cans here and we have a string in the middle. Type. I want to ask Malik al-Masri.
Yes,
Malik, are the cans solid or liquid or gas?
solid.
Solid, thank you. So this is that we will talk about right now, that how does sound travel through solids? You are using two solid cans. Sound will travel from one can through the string to your ears from the other can. Okay, so here we are using two cans and they are solid. So let's see what does he say here. He said that sound waves travel through the string and make the other can and the air in it vibrate. So the vibrations travel into that person's ear and he or she hears the sound. So here, from the first can, someone is talking, right? So you are talking, you are saying hello, whatever you are saying. Once you speak or you say a word, the sound wave will travel through the string, and the string itself is a solid. So once the sound travels from this can through the string to the other can, of course, inside this can there's air. There is air inside this can. So inside this can, the air will vibrate. The air will vibrate. So once it vibrates, we can hear a sound. We can hear a sound. Again, how can sound travel through solids? We said that we can get two cans, okay, like the ones that you can see in front of you here. One of them you are using for talking, and the other one you can use it for listening. The first one that you are using for talking, that we said that sound can travel through this can or through the string that connects between these two cans. So the sound will travel from here and it will go to the other one. Once it goes to the other can, the air inside this can will vibrate. Once it vibrates, you will hear a sound. Who can repeat what I said about how does sound travel through cans? Khadija.
Yes,
Khadija, can you repeat for me what I said about how does sound travel through cans? Huh?
he or she talk,
Yes, okay. When someone talks in one of the cans, what will happen?
it will vibrate.
Okay, it will vibrate or the sound will travel through the string. Yani, let me just mark it with you here. Here we said that the sound will travel through the string. Okay, huh? And what will happen next? So the sound will travel from here. This is the first one who is speaking. The sound travels through this string. It will go through this string to the other can. Okay, and what will happen? Huh?
He or she will hear sound.
He or she will hear sound because the air inside this can will vibrate. Because the air inside this can will vibrate. And when it vibrates, you will be able to hear. Thank you, Khadija. Okay. Okay, let me ask Esther to tell me about how do we hear sound through cans. Esther?
Yes,
Okay, Esther. Now, are the cans solids or liquid or gas?
solids.
Okay, so can you tell me how does the sound will travel through these cans?
She, the, the, the woman or the man
Who is
will
speaking?
speak on is speaking on the can,
Okay,
but on the other can they can
okay,
hear him and it
okay.
vibrates.
Okay, but you didn't tell me that sound will travel through the string. You didn't tell me that sound will travel through the string, right?
Right.
Right, so the sound wave will travel through the string to the other can, and the sound inside this can or the air inside this can will vibrate and you will be able to hear. Thank you, Esther. Now let me ask يلا Jojo.
Yes.
Okay, Jumana, can you tell me how does sound travel through these cans?
They will travel from the string.
Okay, so sound will travel from this can to the other one through the string. Okay, and when it travels through the string, what will happen?
They can hear.
Yes, so the sound inside this can will vibrate and we will be able to hear. Okay, grade 2. So again, for the ones who didn't understand it, we said that sound will travel from this can through the string, because there is a hole here. You can do this telephone cans that's made of cans with your parents at home and you can try it. So the sound will travel through the string to the other can. Once it reaches to the other can, the sound inside or the air inside this can will vibrate and you will hear a sound. There's something important that I want you to know it because it usually comes in exams. Here is telling you that sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. Yani you can hear the sound through solids faster than liquids or gases. Please, I want you to memorize this word or this sentence very well. sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. So if you want to hear the sound, you will hear it through solids faster than liquids or gases. Faster, very fast. You will hear it very fast through solids faster than liquids or gases. So you can hear sounds through solids faster than liquids or gases. Again, sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. Okay, Dalwan, sound travels through solids faster than
liquids or gases.
Thank you, Dalwan. Okay. Mayan. Sound travel through
What?
sound travels through
Through
solids faster than liquids or gases.
or gases.
Yes, so solids is it's the fastest way of hearing a sound. So sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. Can you say it again, ya Mayan? Huh?
Uh,
Sound travels, huh?
sound, sound travel
Through solids
through solids,
faster
liquid
than
or gas.
liquids or gases. Sound travels through
Travel
solids faster than
or gas.
liquids or
Or
gases.
liquid.
مازن عمرو, huh? Sound travel through, huh?
Through solid faster than gases.
Faster than
Faster than liquids and gases.
faster than liquids or gases. So again, we said that sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. Sounds travel through solids faster than liquids or gases. Again, sound travel through solids faster than liquids or gases. Okay, please don't forget about it, that sounds travel through solids faster than liquids or gases. We have finished this lesson, and you know that sound can travel through air when the rooster crows. Something else that we said, sound travel through liquids like dolphin and humpback whales. The last thing that we have covered in this lesson when we said that sound travel through solids faster than liquids or gases when we use the two cans, and these cans, they are made of metal and they are solids, so the sound will travel through the string to the other can and you will be able to hear the sound. What I said, remember this sentence very well. I will not say again. We said sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. Sound travels through solids faster than liquids or gases. Now I want you to open your science workbook, page 93. Page 93. Please open page 93 in the science workbook, and I will open it with you right now. page 93 in the science workbook. Please remember to write the date before we start. I want to see your science workbook, please. Can you show me that you opened your science workbook, page 93? Where is your science workbook, page 93? Can you show it to me? The ones, again, who are turning off their cameras without permission. Your camera, please. Your camera, please. Camera, camera, camera. Okay, Jumana, please, I want to see page 93 in the science workbook. Okay, we will start to write, let's write the date here. Today is June 6th. June 6th.
No, the July.
June 6th.
Who said Anas?
Okay, guys, type. Let's start, please. Today, as I said, is June 6th. June 6th. Type. Yes, Khadija, you can go. You can go. You can go. Type. Let me start right now with the. Okay. Kinda.
What?
Kinda. I will read the question for you. Okay, I will read it and you will tell me what will we write here. Okay? Okay, Kinda?
Okay.
Okay, do you have the science book with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start, Cookie. Yalla. Here is telling you that sound can travel. Please, grade 2, I want you to concentrate here because I may ask you to complete what Kinda will say. So please, I want you to concentrate with me here. Okay, guys? Type. Listen, ya Kinda. Sound. Talia, where are you, Talia? Here, number 1 is telling you that sound can travel through solid, liquids, and gases. Here is telling you that sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. Predict what kinds of matter the sound of the knock will travel through to reach the person. If you can see here, we have, how many persons do we have here, Yakenda? How many persons do we have here? How many persons do we have here?
2.
2, okay. The first one, what is he doing?
Is that in the home?
What is he doing? No, the first one, this one, he's out. And what is he doing?
He's making.
He's knocking on the.
Knocking.
He's knocking, yes, he is knocking on the door. And where is the second person and what is he doing?
He sits on the.
I damaged this man.
He sits on the chair and read.
Yeah, he is reading the newspapers too. He is at home, and the other one, or the first one, the first one, he is knocking at the door. And the second one, he is reading the newspaper. Okay, and you said that the first one, he is knocking at the door, right? Kinda, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so here he's telling you that what kinds of matter the sound of the knock will travel to reach this person. Yani, how does this person hears the knock on the door? How does the sound travel? Will the sound travel through solid or liquid or gas?
To the outer ear, to the inner ear.
Yes, I know this is how does he hear inside your ears. No, I mean which kind of matter does the sound will travel through to reach this person? Will the sound here travel through liquid? Will it travel through gas? Or will it travel through solid?
Gas.
Gas? Where is the gas here? Where is the gas here?
The gas.
Where is the gas here?
Solid. It is solid.
Tab, where is the solid here? Huh?
The door.
The door. Excellent. 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 Stop. Stop. First, the person will knock on the door. And the door is the door solid or liquid or gas?
Solid.
Solid. Thank you, Kinda. Let me stop here. Type. Kinda answered the first part of this question when she said that the man is knocking on the door and the door is solid. Type. Who is iPhone? Guys, I told you to join with your name. Huh? Hello? Who is iPhone? Who joined with the iPhone account? Who joined with the iPhone account? Hello? Hello? Let me see it. 1 minute. Right. Lama?
Yes, Miss. And
Who joined with the iPhone account?
I didn't come
Yes,
with the
Yassine. Okay.
phone account.
Me.
Yes, Yassine. Yes, okay. Lama, are you with me?
Yes.
Type. I want to listen to Yassine first, ya Lama, because I was unmuting him before you. And after this, I will be back to you, ya Lama. Type. Yassine.
Yes.
Yassine, remember to join with your name as usual. Type. Look here, Yassine.
No, it doesn't matter.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, but you can rename yourself. Sit down properly, Amayan. Yassine, Kenda said here that the sound can travel through solid, which is the door. Okay, because the door is solid and the man is knocking on the door, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the sound will travel through solids only to reach the ears of the other man, or it will travel through something else?
Solid and gas.
Excellent. Where is the gas?
The
What is
person.
what is the gas here? The air. The air is gas. مش we
Yeah,
have
the air.
yes, we have air here يا ياسين.
Yeah.
مش احنا we have air everywhere. We have air, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, and air is gas.
Yes.
And we have here door, and the door is solid, right? So
Yeah.
so once the man is knocking, he is knocking on the door is solid. And after this, the sound will travel from the door, which is solid, to the air or through the air, and the air is gas to reach the ears of this man. Thank you.
To reach some person.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you, ياسين. طيب لما Lama, where is Lama? Yes, Lama.
Yes, Miss Angie.
Lama, can you tell me how does this man hear the sound? What will happen? How does the sound travel? Huh?
What?
How does the sound travel here? Huh?
Sound vibrate.
What did Kinda say? What did Kinda say?
What? I can't hear you.
What did Kinda say? How does the sound travel here? Through solid or liquid or gas?
From solid.
Solid. What is the solid here? Where is the solid here?
From solid.
What is the solid here?
Door.
The door. Excellent. And
The door.
it will travel through solid only? The sound will travel through solid only?
No.
Huh? It will travel through solid and what?
And
Hmm?
and gas.
And through solid and gas, because the sound will travel from the door, which is
I
solid.
said gas.
Yes, excellent. Because the sound will travel through solid, which is door, and it will travel through the solid, and it will travel through gas, which is the air, and by the end, the man will be able to hear the sound. Okay, guys, so we have here solid, which is door, and the air, which is gas. And by the end, the sound or the man will be able to hear this sound. So I want you to write the answer after me, please. Write the answer after me, please. The sound of the knock will travel through solid and gases to reach the person. We said that the door is solid. If you want to add more for your answer, you can write that the door is solid and here the air is gas, to know where is the solid and where is the gas. The sound of the knock will travel through solids and gases to reach the person. We said that the door is solid and the air is the gas. Malik al-Masri, are you writing?
Yeah, I finished writing.
Okay. Kareem, are you writing?
Yes, miss.
Okay, can you turn on your camera because I cannot see you? Turn on your camera, Kareem. Sir, turn on your camera. Mayan, sit down properly, Mayan. Are you writing, ya Mayan, or not? Mayan, you are not watching a movie, حبيبتي. You have to
Look.
write.
Look, my book's in my home. Well, أنا in my grandma.
No, you should not attend
I
the
don't have
session
book
without your
ولا
book, ya
sheet.
Mayan. Mayan, you mustn't attend the session without your book. This is the last session that you attended without your book. You have science, you should attend with a science book.
بس أنا عند grandma.
You have to go to your grandma with
In
your
my
books.
grandma.
Yes, if you go to your grandma, you have to go there with your book. That's it. That's it. You can take the book with you. طيب معاذ.
Yes.
You will answer the last
Wow.
question. You have to match the word to the words that tell about them. Sound waves.
I make it.
Waves? Huh? What's the meaning? Sound waves?
Vibration.
Excellent. Sound waves, vibrations that move through matter. That's it. Sound waves, vibrations that move through matter. Grade 2, before I forgot, I want you to do page 94 as a homework. Page 94 will be done as a homework. I will write it here for you, and you have to send it to me by mail on SMS. Page 94. And the science workbook. Lily and Mazen Amr. Lily and Mazen Amr. I send you an email on SMS to inform you about the time of your quiz. It will be tomorrow. Lily and Mazen Amr. Can you hear me, guys? Your parents should check your mail to know about or to read my message about the quiz. Okay? Lily and Mazen Amr. Okay? Lily and Mazen Amr. There is an email that I send to your parent about your quiz. Okay, Mazen?
Okay.
Okay, so your parents should check the email. And Lily, I think Lily is telling her parent about my email. So because you missed Kinsey, طبعا she is not here, but also I send her a message about her quiz by mail. Okay, guys? Okay, grade 2, do you have any question? Grade 2, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, thank you so much. Lily, yes, I sent, Lily, I'm talking to you.
What, Miss Inge?
I want to tell your mom that I sent you an email to inform you about the time of the quiz.
Tomorrow About the social quiz, what I don't do it?
Yes,
When?
tomorrow. That's what I'm asking you, that your mom should check your email.
What time? What time?
From 6 to 7 p.m. You have to check the email and you will know the time.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much, grade 2. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.